It's stuff there from AJ+. Now, something a little different here. In parts of China, some names are now being banned to help the government fight what it calls terrorist extremism. People's names here. Leah, can you lead us through this one for me, please? It's quite fascinating.
It is, Kamal. Names like Muhammad, Arafat, and Jihad, those are among the banned names in northwest parts of the region in China in a crackdown on what the government is calling terrorist extremism. Now, the western region of Xinjiang province is home to more than 10 million Uyghurs, a Muslim minority group. Radio Free Asia was among the first to report this so-called name crackdown. Now, the government document is called, quote, the list of banned ethnic minority names, and it has 29 names on that list. Giving your child a Muslim name in that region, like Saddam or Islam, is not illegal per se, but babies registered with Muslim names are blocked from receiving the hukou, or the household registration system that gives access to health care and education. Now, the Uyghur Human Rights Project's director spoke to the United Nations denouncing the religious persecution at the Forum on Indigenous Issues. This is what he had to say.
Recent set of regulations, the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region Regulation on de-extremification, further restrict religious repression, including dress, religious ceremonies, distorting the concept of halal while remaining vague about what constitutes extremist content or behavior.
This is not the first time that the Chinese government has targeted the Uyghur Muslim community. Last month, it blocked what it called unusually long beards for men and full face veils for women. Owning items with the Muslim star and crescent moon is also banned, and it's actually illegal in the province to do that. Now, we would love to hear your comments on this story. We found it particularly fascinating, but you can connect with us with the hashtag #AJNewsGrid.
Leah, we've already had a comment through while you were talking. Sharifa on Twitter has said, I fail to understand how banning certain names will stop extremism. Does the same work for serial killers and racists? Thank you for your comment, Sharifa. At AJ English, you can tweet us on there.